Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today we're making some Jamaican Easter bun. This bun looks good and it tastes good and it's healthy. By the way, it's made from beetroot pulp. Yes, I made some juice and the leftover pulp, I just put it into this bun. Welcome back. On low flames, we're going to add in some stout, and we're going to add all of the ingredients that we want to dissolve right now, like our sugar, our jam, and we're just gonna whisk this until it dissolves into the Guinness. Once everything is dissolved, we just take this off the stove, and then we are going to work on cooling it down by adding some fruit wine. And yes, I'm using some fruit wine in Jamaican traditional Easter bun because I love it. Next, I'm going to mix in some oil just to add a little moisture, some vanilla for flavoring, some ginger extract, some lemon juice. Like whenever I'm going to add egg to my baked products, I always love to just add a little lemon juice just to cut the rawness. And I'm going to add an egg also to this mixture. You would have noticed that before I added the egg, I ensured that my mixture was cooled down. Now let's work on the dry ingredients. We have some whole wheat flour, we add some all-purpose flour just for some yumminess, and some baking powder, some salt, a little cinnamon, some nutmeg, and then we add just a little bit of mixed spice. I try not to use a lot of mixed spice because personally I find if I use a lot, it can overpower your baked products. Alright, so I mix this in now. A little bit of some raisins, just a few raisins. I do not like mixed peel, so if you want to add mixed peel, you can do it for yourself, but not for me. Alright, so I just mix in my dry ingredients now into my stout mixture. It's time to add in the beetroot. I'm not using any browning. This is going to color my bun. We're going to place our bun in a greased and lined baking pan. You know we always have to do this. Alright, so we just pour our mixture into this. It's so beautiful. And then we add some raisins on top. Just a few. Once again, you can add in your mixed peel if you like. We're going to bring this to the oven and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. Now let's work on the glaze. We're using some guava jam. You can use strawberry if you do not have guava jam. What happened to my tongue a while ago? Alright, so I'm going to thin with some water. Yeah, this is an easy glaze instead of going on top of the stove. Yeah, okay, so my bun is out the oven and look how pretty it is. I'm cooling it down before I try taking it out. Now for the fun part, let's glaze our bun with our guava glaze. You see how it looks nice now, the guava glaze? Alright. This place, it smells so nice and bunny, if I should say. Alright, so we just use a little knife and go around the edges to take off the parchment paper. Nobody wants to eat parchment paper. Remember to take it off. And then we just go in and glaze this jam lightly. Not too much now. Just look at it. I really find that beetroot complements all the other ingredients that are traditionally added to our Jamaican Easter bun. It leaves it yummy and gummy and delicious. I love a yummy gummy bun, so if this bun comes out really gummy, that is good for me. Look at it. It smells so good as well. And if you want a second slice, here is a second slice for you. And I'm going to pair this with some nice cheese. Thanks for watching.